All right, my beautiful people, this is ERGJ, your certified financial educator, and wanted to having problems with Facebook Live, so I decided I'd do the show here, just to kind of go through our pre-market show for January 10th, 2017. And so you really want to start with what they're talking about here in the news. This is market information from yesterday. Obviously, the market doesn't open until 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We had popular stocks, kind of what they did. You had your winners and you have your losers from yesterday. We talked about 3-month performance, but I wanted to get into some information that'll be helpful today, things to watch out for today. So here's the first story with the FDIC. Bank of America owes us $500 million. So they're talking about basically, Bank of America underreported a key risk metric by tens of billions of dollars. I hate these ads. During the final 3 quarters of 2013, 2014. So this is a bad sign for Bank of America. So you can watch out for Bank of America stock today. The financial sector has been doing well over the past 3 months, up 16%. But this is when a company owes money, especially back to the government, then that's a bad sign for that particular company. So I would look for Bank of America to have some struggles here for the rest of the week with this new information that came out. Second big part of in the news was we go over here to Marissa Mayer is leaving Yahoo after the board sells. So here's the information part about this movie.
When it comes to health,
this information, I hate these ads. About this information is that Yahoo has a pending sale to Verizon. So a couple companies that you want to be on the lookout for, you can add your watch list, is be Verizon, Yahoo, and Alibaba. If you don't know, Alibaba had a stake in Yahoo at one point in time. They had Yahoo owns some of Alibaba. Alibaba is one of the is a big giant over in China. So Yahoo's CEO, pending resignation from the board, is part of a broader restructure. After completing its $4.8 billion sale of core internet assets to Verizon, what remains of Yahoo will effectively be converted into an investment company for its Alibaba holdings. Alibaba, that company will be renamed Alibaba, according to Filing Security. So the CEO of Yahoo and even some of its other board of directors will be stepping down once this transition takes place to Verizon and to Alibaba. We could take a look at Yahoo, and we've probably seen Yahoo when this information came out. Yahoo probably had a nice spike based off this merger and acquisition. You can also take a look at Verizon to see what they've done, but you typically won't see much movement from them until after the acquisition is complete, and we see how beneficial them acquiring Yahoo is for Verizon. And then also the same thing with Alibaba. So the winner in the acquisition typically is Yahoo, because they have to come up to a particular, whatever the price was that they bought Yahoo, or they decided to buy Yahoo. That is pretty much the big winner. I don't know when that acquisition was announced, but you typically see a spike in the acquiring company's stock price to match the deal that was on the table. We take a look at Yahoo. Also take a look at Verizon. I doubt that Verizon has had any major impact from the acquisition because they're spending money. And then we can also take a look at Alibaba. That's probably where I would be looking the most for appreciation, would be Alibaba, because they're in the tech industry. Tech has been doing very well as well. So it's 6 months change, 16%. So those are companies that you want to keep an eye out for. Alibaba, Verizon, and Yahoo. And then I normally like to also go to things to know before the bell. Again, last night over the night, the pound was slumping still. So if you missed it yesterday, the pound started to take a fall. So hopefully today or overnight, if you were into foreign exchange, you continue to play the short and make money on the pound slumping. Big news here, top of global automakers is going to be in the headlines throughout the day as they make announcements at the Detroit Auto Show. So there's an auto show going on today. So General Motors, Ford, Toyota. I've been talking about this over the past couple of days, how the automotive industry, with the whole Trump impact is starting to look pretty good. So if you are into that industry, if you've been following, it's a good place to pay attention to today for automakers. We just mentioned Yahoo talked about them and their sale to Verizon. It looks like the shares of a British company, Tesco is a London company, after they talked about cutting jobs. This is interesting. They talked about cutting jobs to close some distribution centers, but then they also planned on increasing their hiring at other distribution centers. So they're actually, this grocery store chain in London, their stock prices were surging overnight. And basically, your global stock form, your U.S. future holding steady. So nothing real major as far as any real movement in any of the markets overnight. So I would imagine that today we're going to have a ho-hum day in the market. But there are some specific stocks or companies that you could be taking a look at for your investment portfolio or for your watch list. At any rate, we've got Ticker Talk Tuesday coming up tomorrow. If you registered for that, or actually tonight, if you register for that, we'll be going over some live sessions, a live stock session to help you to understand investing. Also be on the lookout for some upcoming classes. You can check out the website, www.ergj.net. I'm also on Facebook at ERGJ Enterprises. Just want to do a quick video to talk about the market as we see today and what to look for heading into this Tuesday. This is ERGJ, Certified Financial Educator. I'm out.